Hello everyone, so welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to add an ink splatter overlay to your videos in CapCut. So here, you need to import your clips to CapCut and then first go to video effects. Find the comic category, just swipe. Okay, and under the comic category, select the neon effect, so this one, and then click on the check icon and make sure that it applies to all of your clips. Now go to video effect again, find the lens category and add the edge glow effect. So in here, edge glow, this one, and adjust the effect to only 15. Okay, after that just click on the check icon, and lastly the video effects that you need to add is a soft effect. It's still on the lens category. Find soft and adjust it to also 15. Click on the check icon, and now go to overlay and add a solid color image like this. I'm using red, and fit the size until it covers all of your clips. And then after that, go to blend and select slide. In here, just click on the check icon, and now export the clip. Now click done and start a new project with the original video. Okay, so after this, go to overlay and add the ink overlay. So I got this overlay here from YouTube, so you can just find it. You can just download it from YouTube, and now just fit the size until it covers all of your clips. And now go to chroma key, go to cutout, chroma key, and drag the color picker into the white one. Adjust the intensity and also the shadow into 100. And now click on the overlay and go to speed and speed up the overlay 2 times. Click on the check icon, and here you can just delete the part that you don't need. So I'm going to trim. Oops. Just delete the part that you don't use. Okay, after that, export the project again, and then go back, delete the overlay, and here click on the plus icon on the main track and add 2 videos that you saved before. Okay, so this is the video with the red one and also the one with the ink, and then just delete the original video. Now on the clip that has the ink, so this one, set it as overlay. Click on overlay and put it under the red video, so it will go like this. And then after that, just click on the overlay and then go to cutout, chroma key, and drag the color picker into the green one. Adjust the intensity into 100 and also shadow. Click on the check icon, and now you are done. So here is the result for the ink splatter overlay. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye bye.